Get started on making a sample mug rug. If you're not familiar with what a mug rug is, it's a tiny little rug that you set on your table or desk, and then you put a mug on it. Now, probably not one that is filled with pens, but maybe, but it's perfect if you have a hot beverage in there. So how do I go about making one? I make my mug rugs on a small frame loom that I had specially made. Now, I designed all the dimensions for this based off of others that I had seen, but of course I wanted mine to, reflect my brand. So it's done to my specifications. This was a sample, hence the burn marks from the laser cutting of it. I have my local manufacturer guy making me some more in better wood. So, but for all intents and purposes, this is perfect to make my sample on. So I'm going with today's mug rug is a fail, but that's okay. I learned a lot. First of all, the organic cotton that I used, while a lovely, lovely yarn, is not appropriate for this particular type of weaving. So that's a no-go. Also, I tried warping with the organic cotton. and to make that be the fringe, where in the past I have used crochet cotton that's much thinner and knotted it and woven it in, and then made knots for the fringe out of a different yarn that are part of the weave, and I think I like that better. So I was trying to experiment with making this be as simple of a project as possible. I'm not even sure which is the right and the wrong side. It's not going to matter. I'm going to warp my loom for another one and then go and sit and watch some TV with my husband, and we'll see. So tomorrow I'll have to show you what becomes of that. In the past, I've used a yarn made from recycled blue jeans, well, recycled denim, because it's not blue, as well as some other yarns. I really like how that turns out. It's a really cool yarn. So I need to look to see what colors I have that in. I didn't do any of the quilting workshop stuff today, and I did earlier work a little bit on the administrative parts of my website for the upcoming Artist Way workshop. But if you subscribe to this channel here, I'm sure I'll be talking more about it, and I will put a link in the description where you can go to get on the mailing list to know when the workshop is starting. Plus, there will be a free 2-week session that leads up to the workshop coming up in the beginning of January. So get on the mailing list and you will get that information. All right, until tomorrow, bye.